What is going on, guys? We have a cool video here, and as you just saw from the intro, we got a pretty sweet Raptor behind us. We're gonna go hop in, take it for a ride, and have some fun. So we're gonna switch over to the GoPro, fill you in a little bit on what's done to this 2018 Raptor. 2018 Raptor. All right, so we are on the GoPro cam, and we are driving the 2018 velociraptor. And this makes somewhere around 500 wheel horsepower, right?
Yeah, something like that.
Which way should we go?
Let's take a left.
Hang left. Or we're gonna have to do some like 4-wheel drive launches or something like that. You have the upgraded brakes, I can tell. This thing feels like a Mustang when it's stopping.
Definitely needed brakes. The stock Raptor brakes suck.
Yeah, I think they are the same as the regular truck brakes, which is interesting enough. Yeah. You have a sport mode, or let's see, sport mode. Turn that off. Yeah, it's on full E85, right?
Yep.
Good to hammer it.
Yep.
All right, let's see. Probably feels a little different in the passenger seat.
Yeah.
Yeah. Raptor is fun. So you have a GT500 as well.
That's right.
Gen 3R, similar mods to mine, and then you got the Raptor.
Yeah.
So this thing's pretty sweet. So it's got a Stainless Works CATLESS downpipe. Is that an AFE, cold air intake?
Yes.
Yeah. And then some fuel system upgrades for some E85, and tuned by Norm. That's where you bring everything pretty much to. Yeah. It's got a lot of really cool carbon fiber accents all throughout here. The stuff in the back, you know, the speakers, the sound system is awesome. So this thing's pretty sweet.
Yeah, systems from Mobile Toys out of College Station, Texas.
Okay, yeah. So definitely really cool. I've driven a Raptor before, but I think it's stock. I know I drove Nick's a little bit, but this one,
like this, huh?
no, this is sweet because it's got all the different, you know, really cool details that you've done to it. It's fast, it looks cool, so it is a really cool, definitely really cool truck. Put in a little bit of manual mode. Of course, Raptors have paddle shifters. Now, have you off-roaded this at all?
No.
No, that's the thing. Like, I've always been like, oh man, Raptor's a really good off-road, but do you really want to off-road a, you know, what are they, $75,000-$85,000 just MSRP plus everything else you have done to it? It's just, it's so hard to think of just bashing it off-road when you can get a $500 beater and go bash it off-road.
I took Ford up on the Ford Performance School that they offer when you buy a Raptor. And
so they let you drive theirs.
I went to Salt Lake City, Utah, and drove their brand new truck in the desert and jumped it and learned all the options, and it was pretty cool, and got to tear the trash there. So
trash theirs up, so then you didn't have to worry about trashing yours.
That's right.
Now, I have seen a lot of owners, they jump them, off-road them, stuff like that.
Yeah.
I find that crazy. We'll hammer it. It gets up to speed quick. I mean, especially this truck is probably a little bit heavier than mine. I have a 2018 F-150 5-liter 2-wheel drive. This is obviously 4-wheel drive, plus it's got all the off-road stuff. It's got lights. It's got the big bumpers.
Suspension, big brakes. Yeah, it's probably a lot heavier than it was.
Yeah, for sure. But it is, it's sweet, man. I mean, I definitely really enjoy driving it. Yeah, I love the Raptors. They have, you know, the nice digital dash, and yeah, I mean, Raptors are sweet. I've been looking at them, and oh man, been going back and forth, but yeah. So you just go straight?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can hear the little intake. Or like a little.
Here when you let off, get on it, you let off, you hit it.
Yep. Oh yeah. gets louder when you open the window. I don't know if it'll come through video, but this thing is sweet. Now the question is, can we 4-wheel drive launch it anywhere?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just like right here.
We're in Mexico, by the way, if anyone was wondering. It's just, you know, just 3 beeps and you're in Mexico.
Yeah.
That's how it works.
It pulls hard.
It pulls really hard.
Wait till you do it the next time. When it shifts second and third, it's gonna really yank the wheel out of your hand.
No. Oh, that was fun. Yeah, we need to do a proper one. It was spinning all 4.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When you feel it shift second and third, you're gonna really feel it.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it feels really strong in the low gears too.
Yeah.
Truck want to get beat? He's trying us. He knows.
Yeah.
He get his butt whooped. That's why he ain't slowing down. Yeah, we're having fun in Louisiana before we drive back to Florida. If you guys didn't see it, we picked up the 3-valve. I think this video will come out after that. And we got the opportunity to drive this awesome Raptor. And yeah, you have Instagram, right? Yeah. What is it?
It's just my name, Michael McIntosh 17. I don't really do a whole lot on it. But
Yeah. Well, I know you have your Raptor and this, so I'll probably put it up on screen so, you know, some people can follow you and see some pictures of GT500 and the Raptor. We just excite everybody.
Yeah.
He knew he was gonna get gapped. Yeah, I was pulling a little bit left and right.
Yeah.
But I think the tires are a little bit warmed up on that one.
Yeah.
That's fun. Yeah, it's wild. You can feel it kind of like moving around for some traction. Oh yeah.
It's easier to get run down with something fast, but
no, this will surprise a lot of people.
yeah, it looks cool.
Yeah, it looks cool. It's a good sound system. I think the exhaust sounds great too. Is it just the stock exhaust with the downpipe?
That's it.
Yep. Yeah, the exhaust sounds pretty good. Got a little bit of turbo noise. Yeah, I like the exhaust. You know, sometimes they start sounding, you know, like a V6, obviously. You know, loud and raspy, but this sounds really good. All right, let's see. Oh man, that's fun. This thing is fun, man. You gotta take it to the track and see what it runs.
Yeah. Yeah, I'd like to see what it'll do.
Yeah, and this is with
Just
big.
the way it is, like
this is big tires on here too.
Yeah, 35. What you think it'll run?
It should easily run 12s. Easily 12s. It's just, I think the bigger tires is what's gonna hurt it, you know, getting into the 11s, but switch out for some street tires or something. Sweet deal, man. Thanks for letting me drive it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Hell yeah. We'll end off this clip here. All right, so that was fun driving the Raptor. Make sure you guys hit the like button down below. Probably have some more info on the Raptor and everything down in the description. And yeah, hope you guys liked it. Subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you guys next one.